So greetings ladies and gentlemen, boys, girls, likers, dislikers, commenters, new subscribers, old subscribers, just anybody who's watching these videos, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to fit this here. It is the OEM back rack for the Tracer, and I'm going to make a video on how to fit it. It's pretty simple. So what you want to start doing is loosening the bolts. I have already done that. As you can see, started to pre-loosen them. The one thing about my the one thing about my rack is I do not have the bolts that it came with, so I will be using the standard fittings that are on this bike already, which I have been assured by Yamaha that is possible. Don't forget to hold these as they will fall. Pretty quickly. One. And two. One of these was fairly well stuck in, so I would advise maybe having an impact gun or something that will help you loosen it. Next, all I'm going to do is offer the plate up, make sure it sits pretty well, see how it looks. There's nothing that's going to interrupt the general fitment of it. Next, what I'm going to do is fit these back bolts, as they are the ones that are maybe with the clearance here aren't going to fit. Just hand tighten them in for the meantime. Right down in. That's one. As you can see, there is literally just enough clearance to drop it in. Make sure it's level and start twisting. The reason I bought this was because I am planning on getting the rear box, and the handles are significantly bigger, so the passenger should be able to be a lot more comfortable. So there we are, first two in with the front ones that are shorter. Make sure the washers are on top. These ones, as they're just in a recess, just tighten them down in. Just like that. And there you go. I will torque these down. So I will at some stage. What I will say is the torque settings for these front ones are 20 to 30 Newton meters. The ones for the back ones, 26 to 38. I currently don't have one at the minute, so, or a head that would fit these. So I have tightened them down hand tight and a wee bit of Allen twist. But yeah, that's simply how to fit the OEM rack to the Tracer.